healthy.
It's delicious. It crunches in your mouth.
Great stuff.
I really liked it. It's totally a family affair. You know, young ones, old ones, people without teeth, dogs, cats, seals, everybody. It's good for everybody.
I love like salty snacks, so this is the best way, the healthiest way to get it. And kids love it too. It's all good, you can't go wrong.
And I love that the family donates 10% of their proceeds to charities. So it's good.
It's good actually. It's
Yeah,
very
I liked it. It's surprisingly good.
Yeah.
Melts in your mouth.
Kind of like jerky.
Fresh and tangy and healthy.
Crispy, delicious, yummy.
You love it?
Yes.
What it tastes like?
No, it just tastes good.
I'm Jessica Reed, and I love SeaSnax.
Yeah, you guys are doing a great thing. I'm a nutritionist too.
I will only say I don't endorse products.
This is delicious. They should sell it in the vending machine too.
I can see why it would be strangely addictive.